Now I have the survey get ready. On the survey page, you will see on the right top, there is a send icon. Click the send icon. Then the send form pop up. They will ask you send by email, send by link, or send by HTML. We choose send by email. Below the email, you can enter the emails that you want to send. Remember to add the comma between two emails. Now I'm done for entering. The subject is your service name. The message is for I have invited you to fill out the form. Now at the bottom, you will see the cancel icon and send icon. We choose send. Now I'm done. I have sent my survey. I can wait for their responses right now. Thank you for watching.